back again, and we're going to take on Trainer 2 of the Goldenrod Gym. And it's Goldenrod Gym Goldenrod Gym Battle 2. This Rita. Doesn't it remind you of Rita Repulsa from Power Rangers? Yes, I did watch Power Rangers when I was young, but I don't watch it anymore. It's kind of retarded now. Based on her Pokemon, she has one water Pokemon, and I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna use freaking. Let's choose Octobus for no important reason. Just because I can. I really probably won't need it because I got Espeon. Here we go. Her first Pokemon is Mareep. Why they give it a nickname, I don't know. Freak. I hate when that happens. Domi forgets about it. Oh well. Forget it. Psybeam. Yep, just Psybeamed it. Look at that. Almost killed it in one hit, which is awesome. Light Scream. I hate Light Scream. I swear. Oh, special defense rose. Oh, God. So I'm still use Psybeam just because I can. I'm going to finish it. Hopefully finish it with Psybeam. I don't know how I'm just going to do, but here we go. Yep, it didn't kill it because it got that Light Scream up. Oh, well. Looks like I'm finishing it with Swift Attack. Ooh. Oh, thank God, I'm not paralyzed, and it didn't do that much damage, which is awesome. Time to finish it with Swift Attack, hopefully. Because this is not a special attack, so it should finish it. There, because I did not want to battle that Mareep for much longer. If I did, it probably would have paralyzed me sooner or later, which I don't want to happen. And that Pokemon's out of the way, thank God. What's the next Pokemon? Next Pokemon is going to be a Aipom. Aipon's a cool Pokemon too. Especially in Diamond and Pearl with its Ambipom. Yeah, Ambipom's awesome. I want one. I just haven't gone around and get one. But we're not talking about Diamond right now. We're talking about Pokemon Stadium 2. Battle 2, whatever. Oh, God, no. No fucking way. Hell no. Hell no, hell no, hell no. I'm sitting outside because they're both females, so hell no. I'm not putting up that attraction, heck no. You can forget it. I'm gonna use Scizor because it'll be unaffected by the attraction. It's female too. And it uses agility. And speed goes up too. Yes. Thank God. Okay. Middle Claw. Swift Attack, huh? That always hits, so I got no chance of blocking it. But it's not a critical hit. I hate to see what a not critical hit is. And yes, that did a pretty good amount, which is awesome. And no, I'm not going to send an Espeon right now, because if I did, it'd use attraction again, which is so freaking annoying, I can't stand it. Oh God, here we go again, Swift Attack. Scizor's such a badass, and it didn't do nothing. It just stood there and took it like a man. But it's not a man, it's a woman. But you know what I mean. It just stood there like awesome. Yep, our last Pokemon, which is going to be a Diglett. Don't you keep Scizor in there? Scizor in there, I mean? Oh God, magnitude! Oh God! Good God. This thing almost killed me, man. I can swear. God, Diglett. Just die. It'll kill me, watch. Magnitude again, watch, we can. 7. Which is just as bad. No, it didn't kill me, thank God. Now, I get to finish this battle now with my Middle Claw. Bye-bye, Diglett. Oh, I didn't even... Now I see why I bought my Scizor along with the Diglett. It's the battle! And there goes the battle! I love that line. that's it for trainer number 2 of the Goldenrod City Gym. And it was thanks to my Espeon and my Scizor. That's good. That's the way to do it. I know that's the way to do it. Duh. My next part of this walkthrough, or gym leader tower, whatever you want to call it, walkthrough, play, whatever. The next battle will be the gym leader. See you guys next video.